Ben looking over Daddy's BlackBerry.
Yeah. Yep.
Is that Daddy's BlackBerry, Ben? Are you gonna be a techie like Daddy? Huh? Are you gonna be a computer geek like Daddy? Benjamin. 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 That's Daddy's BlackBerry, huh? Yeah. Daddy's BlackBerry? That's Daddy's BlackBerry, huh? Are you going to show that to Daddy? You going to give it to Daddy? Say, Daddy, here you go.
Thank you.
No.
Denied.
It's his. For now, anyway. Is that the BlackBerry, Ben? Are you going to make a phone call? Are you going to make a phone call, Pumpkin? Yoo-hoo! Are you going to make a phone call? Can you say bye-bye? Benjamin, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. He's going bye-bye. Bye-bye. Ben. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Yeah. That's Daddy's BlackBerry. He's trying to put it back. You trying to put it back? You want Mommy to put it back? Here we go. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Oh, thanks goodness.